Today we're gonna unbox and review the Logitech G512 Carbon gaming keyboard. My name is Wood of edwoodyward's channel. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. So again, without any fuss, join me and unwrap this bad boy. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Alright guys, we now have the G512 Carbon box in here. As you can see, you got your typical Logitech packaging. It says here it has the GX Red linear switch. They have your typical labels and packaging specs. By the way, this video is sponsored by no one or nothing but me. But the story behind this keyboard is my friend is actually looking to buy his very first mechanical, and it has to be an RGB keyboard. Me being a good friend tried to look for the best available one in the market. So to cut the story short, we came up with a list of Cooler Master CK350, a Keychron K6, and of course this G512. So obviously he ended up buying this G512 Carbon keyboard. So thank you to my good friend Carl for letting me review his precious device. Alright, let's remove it. Now from the main box you have another sleek looking box. It's black with your keyboard inside. Now it's wrapped with plastic, unlike other keyboard manufacturers which has like a cloth-like cover. Now you have your USB cables inside this mini box. Okay, flip it over. You have your typical papers that I might or might not read. Probably no one reads them. You have your Logitech sticker you could put in your car, your CPU to make you certified geek. Keep playing. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Logitech website guide. Now, yeah, if you want to go to their website, yes, you can do so, just to get more information about this keyboard. Who really love that sound of crisp plastic? Let's remove it from the plastic. As you can see, it's very slim. There you go. Move aside. Now you'll be greeted by two USB cables. I guess one is for the USB pass-through. Like if you would put your mouse on the keyboard, yeah, this would definitely work. Now this keyboard retails for 5,100 pesos. We bought it from Softbox Solutions, so props to Softbox for making it easy for us to find a new keyboard from my friend. The first thing you notice when you pop the keycap off on this keyboard is that they are your classic kind of MX style switches, not the Roamer variants. Again, these are the GX Red linear switches, which I kind of dig. Also, you have double shot keycaps, so your key legends will never fade or chip off. Now let's try to hear how it sounds. What you're seeing now on your screen is the G Hub. That is Logitech's portal for customizing and optimizing all your Logitech G gear, which includes mice, keyboards, of course this one included, headsets and other devices you can think of, as long as it's bearing the Logitech G logo. There's also a lot of user profiles available that you can select or choose from if you are too lazy to create or customize your own. Next, I will show you the actual lighting on the keyboard as I navigate through the light sync presets feature of the software. To sum it up, lighting wise, this is vibrant. All caps are well illuminated except some of the secondary characters have less light since the placement of letters are kinda on the upper position. The G linear red is a nice light smooth switch, but if you have other preferences, they have other switches you may opt to. Base of the keyboard is one of the best features since it's made of aircraft grade aluminum alloy, which makes it very sturdy and durable. So if you are into a straightforward, minimalistic design, sturdy, and has decent RGB lighting options, this is the perfect keyboard for you. So that's a wrap. I hope I was able to help out somehow. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the like button before you head out. Get subscribed to get more tech content, and I will see you all in the next video.